Well, just turning on the heater again. Yeah, here I am. Gotta make from a run. Get some more tools. Get more tools. More to use tools. Well, these guys really beat this thing up. Whew. Really beat it up. And I got some more propane. Because I was going down that way. And 2 tanks. When I go to this guy here, I save $5 a tank, so that's why I get it there. 20 pounders. And we got like 2-3 more inches of snow overnight. It was a big storm, another big storm. And then they're calling for, I thought it was mix, but the propane guy said they're calling for rain. So his lovely spiel was that all the snow will be all gone. That's what, 3 times so far. So I got a fuel pressure gauge because I got this one the other day. I don't think I've ever posted a video on it. Just didn't work at my son's truck, so I bought it. And luckily, he's gonna take it somewhere else because we're tired of messing with it. I don't know what to do to it. You know what I'm saying? This guy, $20, come with 2 fittings. I don't know, guys, what that's for. Never seen one like that before. And then this guy, never seen one like that either. It looks like they lost the rest of it. And kit missing 2 pieces. Ball joint press. Whew. $100. And I got local parts guy looking for the 2 parts that's missing for the ball joint press. Mine went up in the fire, so yeah. It's not that 30 degrees. 30 degrees out. Gotta do a little bit of something so I can say I did something besides work. Whew. Patties are cold. Yeah, patties cold. Cold. So I'll use up this propane to warm the building up for a few minutes, then go up to the house. That makes sense? No. I gotta get something done. Finished them holes last night. I'm gonna do 2 more. I already got them set. And I was gonna use a big rod back there. Oh, this thing's working now. As soon as you tap it, bump it or something, it shuts right off. Of course. So I gotta thread some holes in there. And there was another threading kit on Marketplace too, but I can't, I don't know. Too much. $250? $250? And I don't know if I showed this guy. The snapper came out of the scrap trailer. The only ones I got was these sets here, because my other stuff went through the fire. Of course, you'll hear that for a while until I get everything replaced. So you'll hear that for a while, guys. So if you've been following me for a while, you heard that. You heard that. Yeah, and I can't find another one of these. Are body pullers. I can't find another one smaller. And I paid more than I thought. It was $23. $23 no holler. Yeah. I don't know. I can use them on bigger ones, but I may have to make one. Watching this one guy make bearings off, like on this shaft. He just wiped out 2 wrenches to make a puller. I mean, he had these junk wrenches, but you know, it was interesting. I mean, I guess these are considered junk wrenches. I mean, you know, you just cut the ends off them, and yeah. But anyways, all my wrenches turned to butter, the heat. So I need to put this down, and yeah, I could put you up there so you can see all the time. Except I don't have an all. The mounts. Good. Put a mount on there. Or I can zip tie it like last night. And zip tie you up there. See what's going on. You know what I mean? Yeah, just turn you off. Well, it's kind of been warm today. In the 40s. We got like 2 more inches of snow last night. So I had to go finish up plowing today. And been drizzling all day long. So this snow is kind of really packy. So, yeah. We got... turn it in the fuel pressure gauge. Back to the Snap-on guy, which I was going to show you guys that kit. Take it from me. It was $400. List is $526 or something. On sale, $462. Something like that. 40. I think it's 446. So I really only got that because my boy's truck, and yeah. So we're gonna check the fuel pressure. Goofing around with that truck so much that he's gonna take it to someone. So I turned those guys back in and got myself something I really can use. I mean, I know I have these Master Force junk from Save No Money, but I got some good quality ones now. Snappy set. I got from 10 up to 20, and I have a 21 coming. So I can add those to my other 1/4 inch set that's scattered everywhere, and my 3/8 shallow set over there. So I'm getting a few sockets back that went up in the house fire. And what am I doing really? Besides keeping warm when it really isn't that cold out. I'm drilling my feeder blocks for that guy. I'm using a junk tap and die set because I haven't found anything worth, well, Marketplace had one for $250 snappy, but I don't know. I'm waiting for it to come down in price. I might jump on it. I mean, it beats paying $400 at Snap-on guy, but it means I gotta pay $250 for it as it is. Yeah. All right, I gotta get back to work here. I got a halfway threaded, and I'd rather not break it off. But these are good quality, high carbon steel taps. I'm halfway through it, and woo, yeah, it's starting to turn magnetic on me. this tap is. See how everything's sticking on it? It didn't do that, I think, before. But I might have touched that magnet down there. I don't know. Alright, thanks for commenting, subscribing, and we'll see you when we see you again. So bye.